that's my set for 5 locks. I had one more, but it may be expired, so I'll make a few warm-ups with those. A wiper insert and a typical some hook. So I packaged them up so I can take them on a movie set as well. So I can spend out some waiting time. There's a YouTube channel, Lockpicking Lawyer, which is my favorite locksports channel, alongside with Bosnian Bill. So if I would be making a lockpicking channel, it could be like a lockpicking actor or something, but no, that's just a laughing matter. I'm not planning to make any lockpicking channel, but I may make a few videos. That's just my second, and now the video time may actually clock it how I do. I have never measured anything. I have just been doing it for fun and problem solving and for my kind of a puzzle. I got a new set of picks and alongside a James Bond card for extra. That was a nice addition. I'm a Bond fan and I like the gear, so the pistol was handy. I think I'll switch up the wiper. Maybe. The wiper is very slim, so I made my own tension wrenches. Some of them I made out of actual hex wrenches that are miniature, so they're more rigid. The wipers will wear out fast, and they also will wear out my finger. Okay, this Yale may have something like getting stiff. Maybe I have been picking it for too long. These are my usual practice locks. I have special locks for, I dedicated a set of locks for just lumbering around with them and working on my picking skill. Every movie usually has the picking wrong. I heard a funny story that Terminator 2, where Sarah Connor had to pick the lock for real, that was actually censored in the movie. Maybe, but now we have Bosnian Bill and Lockpicking Lawyer making up for it. I don't know if that story is true. I've just heard it on internet. I haven't fact checked it, but some strange reason I would not be surprised. You switch out the wrench. This is what I made myself. That's more rigid and slightly bigger, so it will not be so bad on my finger. If I can get this gauntlet solved sometime today. Oh. 3. Interesting to know that I'm already 5 minutes in. Less than a lock minute. Okay. I haven't been timing it. Oh, okay, that went better. I haven't averaged myself. So some black paint on my, okay, that's it. That's a nice warm-up. Usually there's more than 5 minutes in 5 minutes and 50 seconds between takes and some movie waiting time. Sometimes it may be an hour or something, so I can practice a bit longer. Now here the Viper is small. I like this, but I made one out of a used saw blade I had for art crafting, and some of them I took free of the hex wrenches that I just took. Slim, talk about getting wrenched. These are really small. An actual wrench, I think it has a good steel, much better than that one here. I haven't made any Viper ones. This was included in the set I ordered online, but I made a few myself because I had a lot of problems with those in the sets that were, and making a few of my own, that will not make a groove into my finger, which can't be said about this one. Okay, so I ground out a few. Okay, that's it for today.